Hello,
Hello, madam.
Good morning, madam.
please take your seat.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Introduce yourself.
My name is Lalit Kumar Nagas. I am reading 11th class of Jain Gaspati, Mariman 21.
My name is B. Rajesh. I am studying in 11th class in JNA Gasri and my roll number is 15.
So Lalit and Rajesh welcome you to ASL.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Now Lalit, tell me something about your hobby. Do you have a hobby?
Yes, madam. I have a hobby. My hobby is to play cricket. I interested in cricket because when I playing cricket, I getting interested more in that play in that game. So I like that game.
Okay. Now Rajesh, tell me something about your place from where you have come.
I came from a small village and it is nearby a small town and I love this place because the nature beauty is very beautiful and I love to play at the ground and I also ride the bike and also and my friends and we play together and enjoy and my village is mostly Indian village which is best I can tell.
Okay. So I think you like your village very much. Now we'll go to the second stage, that is topic presentation. Lalit, tell me something about your topic.
My topic is health and fitness. Health is more important in our life. You have health means you can do everything in our life. But you have not healthy on our body means we can't do anything in our life. So how we keep our healthy? So many ways are there. Like you should do everyday exercise morning and evening time, and you should go yoga, meditations. Like so many ways are there. But in our school, so many students are not playing. They are sitting silently. They are not doing anything, exercise, not doing anything. They may get any disease. It is not good for health. We should to play. We should to play with free clothes, and after playing we should to take a bath and clearly we wash our hand before eating food. Like this, so many ways are there. So we keep good healthy on our body.
Lalit, how would you feel if there is no sports and games?
I feel bored because game and sports is one part of our life. If you play game and sports means we can get active on our mind. So we will be get free on our mind. Then we can do anything in our life.
Lalit, can you say about what methods you are trying to be fit?
Like yoga, meditations, and doing exercise, going to PT class. So many ways are there.
Okay, now Rajesh, tell me something about your topic.
My topic is adolescence. Adolescence is a transition of change of time period of childhood to adulthood. It is a time period which is mainly the growth of all body organs and mainly secondary sexual characters are become matured and it just at this age we mainly our growth is very fast, rapid, that our height, weight, all changes, and this is the time period when we say that commonly it is called as teenage. It is the age between 13 to 19, and this is the crucial period in human's life. It is the unstable situation where no one can decide their own choice. In adolescence, our mind is become mature when we realize that we are understanding and something we can take decision or we think about anything, then we can think that we are now adolescent And nowadays adolescents are becoming very addicted to all bad habits. That is the main defect of adolescence. In adolescence, we learn good things, also bad things. Anyone is addicted to bad things means he can't control himself. So in adolescence, there is a need for control of our mind and all activities we do. If anybody interested in science or anything activities, he will do it with his whole 100% concentration. But anybody is addicted or deflected from his own work, he will be disturbed for so many years and years, and he will not be controlled. So in this age, the control should be needed, and in this age, all teenage children or adolescents are very carefully. They have to take diet, all about their studies and all, etc.
Okay, what are the disadvantages of this adolescence period?
In adolescence, attraction, it is the main defect of the child. And mainly in adolescence, boys and girls are attracted towards others, and it leads to their loss, and also they are addicted to smoking and this all bad habits which affects their life long.
Just nowadays, students, 10-year students are they getting daring. They are not listening others' words. How they will listen other words.
Adolescence, it is the age which is the uncontrollable age. So in this age we can't make an adolescent satisfied, because it is adolescence age is an energical age. Because anyone becomes adolescent, then he will not listen to anyone. So in adolescence age, anyone can be understood only by good thoughts, good words, and good sentences, than by scoldings or anything.
Okay. Now we'll go to the third stage, that is problem solving. There is a task for you. Most of the students in your class bring junk food for tiffin or eat junk food from the school canteen. You and your friend would like to start a campaign to promote healthy eating habits. So discuss with your friend and bring some solution to it. What resistance you can expect to meet from the others? How you will go about overcoming this to make your campaign successful?
So many students are bringing junk food. It is not good. It may get disease. It is not digested. It is not good to bring in classroom. So how will stop them? They will not get junk food. Can you tell us this?
Yes, I can tell it. Junk food, it is mainly prepared very fastly, and it is maximum full of spices and all bad ingredients which affect our health very much. And diseases caused by junk food are very much and much. And in this nowadays in school, junk food is bringing the students from canteen. So it is very affecting, because in this age it is very dangerous for our health, and we should not eat this all. So in canteen we must ban this junk food to provide that to children. So I suggest that in our canteen it should not be sold or anything. And also student must understand our situation, and they must overcome this problem by only their understanding that and overcoming only due to their negligence only. So they should take care of their health. So they must have to take care and not eat junk food.
Do you agree with what your friend said?
Yes, madam. I agree with others.
Would you agree that good food habits start with the school or at home?
Yes, ma'am. I think good food habit is very essential in our life, and it makes our health fit, and we must live for our development. So we must take good food habits, so that we will be healthy.
Okay. With this, we come to the end of this task, this ASL test. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.